Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Then again 6 minus 8 is equal to also minus 2. Now minus 2 multiply minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEM DAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one another subtraction. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So is equal to 6 minus, now 8 multiply 6 is equal to 48 minus 8. Now here is one subtraction and here is one subtraction. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. So 6 minus 48 is equal to minus 42 minus 8. Okay. So now minus 42 minus 8 is equal to minus 50. So the correct answer is minus 50. Okay. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.